Hi everyone, and welcome back to Scrambled Eggs English. My name is Beth, and today I will be giving you 5 words to sound more British. So if you want to sound just as British as me, then feel free to learn some of these words. First of all, we have the very famous, very necessary brolly. So that is brolly. This is another word for an umbrella, which is needed a lot in the UK. So for example, you can say, bring a brolly with you because it is going to rain. A very common situation. Second, we have faff. So that is faff. This is actually a verb which means when you take a long time to finish something very small. So if you do basically nothing in a large amount of time. For example, you can say, yesterday I spent ages faffing instead of doing my homework. Okay, next up we have gobsmacked. So that is gobsmacked. This is a fantastic word which means shocked or astonished. For example, I was gobsmacked when I found out I was fired from my job. So very, very shocked. Okay, next one, we have popping out. That is popping out. This is a very commonly used phrase in the UK to mean when you want to leave, but very quickly, so for a short amount of time. For example, I'm just popping out to buy some milk. I will be back in 5 minutes. So leaving the house for a very short amount of time. Okay, lastly, we have chockablock. That's chockablock. Okay, this is used to describe when something is extremely busy. It is full of people, very crowded. We can use this in sentences when describing places, or for example, I was late to work this morning because the roads were chock-a-block. So there was a lot of traffic, for example. Okay, that's all for today. If you think you can use these words in your own sentences, feel free to comment below and we look forward to reading them. Thank you. Bye.